So what is up, guys? Let's analyze this accident right here and let's find out who's at fault really. Let's analyze the actual scene first of all. Was this a single stop sign? No, it was not. It was a double stop sign intersection, meaning that the truck driver had a stop sign and that the car had a stop sign. You can see one right here. The other one is in over the pole right here. It's in reverse. That's for the other side. As you can see, this one too. This one was for the truck driver. And this one was for this side. So now we know the actual rules of the intersection. Now, let's go to Google's. Let's have double stop sign intersection. Here are the facts. Who has the right of way at an intersection with two stop signs? The right of way goes to the first person to stop. So if a line of cars were at both stop signs and all the cars wanted to make the same conflicting turn, they will alternate. If the opposing cars stop at the same time, then one turning right has the right of way. Alright, so let's go back to the video here. Who had the right of way? According to the rules, whoever stops first has the right of way. So that means that who's at fault here is actually the big time truck driver. Because this one stopped first and he was supposed to stop second. Okay, so now we determined who was at fault. But however, this was 100% preventable accident because not everybody followed the rules, right? Maybe it's because I'm a commercial driver, but the company that I used to work for always says, you are always at fault because you are the professional driver. You're supposed to be driving defensively. And defensively means you actually expect others to make mistakes, drive and adjust appropriately depending on the situation. This guy, the one in the car, actually stopped. There is no way that he didn't hear or seen the truck driver coming. So although he had the right of way, he should have waited here to prevent that accident. You think he probably lived, but you think you're gonna live if you get T-boned by a truck? Do you want to live or do you want to have the right of way? That's the question, right? So obviously the guy in the car didn't want to live. He's like, man, I'm gonna collect this money and be crippled for life. So let me get in the freaking middle here and let me get squished. I mean, he almost got ran over. Let's go back to this. Look. The tires almost went on top of his car. He could have been crushed. He could have been dead. Is it worth it? In my opinion, no, it's not. Everybody makes mistakes. It's easy to judge while you're in the seat and things already happen and you have cameras from all angles and you have easy to judge. But when you're at the moment, we as humans make mistakes. A lot of times you have to be the bigger man. So that's it for my analysis. If you like this type of video, please give me a like on this video. And until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up.